Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off live text on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. In here, tap on Live Text. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on live text. When live text is turned on, you can select text in images to copy or take action. So here, if I swipe up to go back to the home screen and open up the Photos app, in the Photos app, I'm going to open up one of the images. And from here, I can touch and hold on the part of the image. This will allow me the phone to automatically detect the text within the image. And if it is a text, it will allow me to select it. And from there, I can choose to copy, I can share it, or I can search the web using the selected text. And that's it. If we switch it off, so we switch off live text, then you can see this will not work when I try to use it. Now the reason why it's still working right now is because the app hasn't refreshed yet. So if I close the app and we open it, and this time if I try to use live text, it will not work. So if I try to touch and hold onto the image, it will not automatically detect the text for me. And that's it. That is how you can use live text on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.